Very good morning, 9th standard. We were doing number line. Yesterday I told you the number line of how to draw of under root 2 and under root 3 we did. I repeat once what we did. For under root 2, it is under root 2 square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. We need 2 squares on this side. So we know that 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2, I'll get only by taking these 2 squares. So how we plotted on the number line? We started with 0, 1, 2, so on, equal markings we made. Now this is 1 unit. Here at at 0, we had drawn 90 degrees with the compass, and the same length, what is 1 unit, that is cut from here 1 unit. So this length gives you under root 2. This length is under root 2, and now this is cut on the number line because we have to represent under root 2 on the number line, not here. So from here, from the origin, we cut under root 2 here. Now after cutting under root 2, this length becomes under root 2 and this is 1 unit. And when it is under root 2 and 1 unit, the hypotenuse comes out to be under root 3. So when I simply join this and this, we get under root 3 here, the length of AP. So again from O, we can cut an arc here such that OQ gives you under root 3. This length then becomes under root 3 on the number line. So this is how we plotted under root 2 and under root 3 on the number line. Now proceeding further, we have under root 5 on the number line. Now suppose under root 5 is the hypotenuse. That means under root 5 square should be the square of 2 numbers. Which 2 whole squares will give you 5 on adding? 2 squares on adding, they should give you 5. So we can take 2 square and 1 square. 2 square is 4, 1 square 1. So total we get 5. That means if one side of the right angle triangle is 2 units, other is 1 unit, then the hypotenuse comes out to be under root 5. So what we do here on the number line, you can take 2 units here, and as we did earlier at O, you are going to draw 90 degrees, and from O cut an arc of this one length of 1, because here this side we need 2, here we need 1. So here 2 units, and from O cut an arc of 1 unit. Measure this one, this length, and cut an arc from O 1 unit. So joining this with this, that is this, gives you under root 5. So this length, let it be AB. AB gives you under root 5. But again, as we know, AB should be on the number line. So keep your compass at B, measure this length, and keeping it at O, cut an arc here. It will be 2 point something here. Cut an arc. So this OP distance is your under root 5 on the number line. Okay. Then after getting under root 5, we need under root 6. Now under root 5 this side, let's draw the right angle triangle. If I have under root 5 on this side and 1 here, then what I get, under root 5 square plus 1 square, that is 5 plus 1, 6. So hypotenuse comes out to be under root 6. Then this will be under root 6 by Pythagoras theorem. So that means again, if I join BP directly, if I join this B and P, so what I get, this side is under root 5, this is 1, and so BP gives you under root 6. BP gives you under root 6. This side we have under root 5. OB is 1. This is under root 5. OB is 1. So this hypotenuse gives you under root 6. So BP is under root 6. BP will be under root 6 now. Now to represent on the number line, again measure BP and keeping your compass at O, cut an arc here. So this length gives you under root 6. Fine. Now we need under root 10. Now under root 10 again, if I take under root 10 square, so that is 10. And this side I need perpendicular square plus base square, two whole squares whose sum will give you 10. So that is 3 square and 1 square. 3 square is 9 and 1 square is 1. On adding we get 10, and under root 10 square is also 10. So this satisfies Pythagoras theorem. So one side it should be 3, other should be 1. So on the number line you have to take 3 units here and 1 unit at O. That means again as we did 90 degrees here, and measure this, cut an arc of 1 unit. So this length joined with 3, this length gives you under root 10. So similarly, measure this length AB with the compass. From O, cut an arc, so that this length gives you under root 10. Okay, so this length is under root 10 on the number line. Now of expansions we were left with one exercise, that is third C. Third C of expansions was left. In that we have product of these two numbers. Now when the first term is the same, if the first term is the same, then how we take the product? It is always first term square plus first term you write. Always first term square plus first term. Then after that we take the constants along with the signs, minus 5, minus 7, and then their product, minus minus, it will be plus 35. Okay. First term square plus first term into these constants, minus 5, minus 7, that gives you minus 12x plus 35, and here we take the product. Now here in the fourth question you can see the first term is not the same, but second term is the same. So we can make the first term same, because 2 minus x can be written as x minus 2 if we take negative out. Similarly 4 minus x can be written as x minus 4 if I take negative out. So this minus minus gives you plus, and I am left with x minus 2 into x minus 4. The same way we proceed, x square plus x. First term square plus first term first we write. Then after that constants along with the sign, minus 2, minus 4, then their product, plus 8. So this is the formula actually. Okay, so this is the formula. You can just go through. X square minus 6x plus 8 is your answer. Now similarly here, 5 minus xy, 2 plus xy. Now here xy minus 5, when we take minus common, because again the second terms are the same, first terms are not the same. So here minus is common, xy minus 5, xy plus 2. This can be written directly, no need to take the minus out. So here again first term square plus first term, as it is you write, then these constants along with the sign, minus 5 plus 2, then their product, minus 10. So x square y square minus, here you get minus 3 xy minus 10. So either you can leave it like this, or you can even open the bracket, minus x square y square plus 3xy plus 10. That also can be done. Now 8th question. First terms are the same. So first term square plus first term into these constants with the signs plus their product. 2 into 1 is 2. So the same. Now similarly 9th question. Here 3 minus x square. X square is the first terms, we have to make the same. So negative common. Inside will be x square minus 3, and here x square plus 5 as it is. So first term square plus first term into minus 3 plus 5 the constants, then their product, minus 15. So x raised to power 4, here you get plus 2, and again here you can open the bracket and write the answer. Now here no term is the same, neither first nor second. So we simply multiply 2x into this bracket plus 3 into this bracket, and we get the answer. Then after that 13th question, again you can see there is nothing common. So 2y into this bracket minus 3 into this bracket, simple multiplication as we have done. Okay, then after this we come to 14th question. 14th again nothing is common. So 3a square into first bracket minus b square into this bracket. So that is 6a raised to power 4 plus 15a square b square minus 2a square b square minus 5b raised to power 4. So this gives you 13, and so Okay, so now, and whatever your doubts are there, you can send me, that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, any doubt you have, that you can send me along with the question, pick up the question, and those we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.